Welcome to the heart of Guizhou Province, where the forces of nature have sculpted a masterpiece of unparalleled power and beauty. The Huangguoshu Waterfall stands as one of the most magnificent natural landmarks in Asia, a thunderous curtain of water that commands absolute reverence. This is not merely a single cataract, but the crown jewel of a sprawling karst landscape featuring 18 distinct waterfalls of varying scales. As we stand before this roaring giant, we witness a testament to the geological heritage of southwestern China and the artistic hand of the Guizhou River. Prepare to be immersed in the mist and majesty of a site that has inspired poets and explorers for over 4 centuries. Our journey today will take us behind the falling water and deep into the cultural soul of the Guizhou Mountains. Huangguoshu Waterfall is located in the Anshan prefecture of Guizhou, specifically within the Jining Buyi and Miao Autonomous County. The waterfall is situated on the Guizhou River, a tributary that flows through a dramatic karst plateau characterized by deep canyons and limestone caves. Historically, the waterfall rose to national prominence during the Ming Dynasty, thanks to the extensive travels and writings of the legendary explorer Xu Xiaqi. In the year 1638, Xu Xiaqi arrived at the falls and was so struck by its scale that he described the water as a spray of pearls. Since that historic visit, the waterfall has become a symbol of China's natural pride and a cornerstone of the regional ecological identity. This brings us to a fascinating interactive question for you today. Xu Xiaqi claimed this was the most majestic waterfall he had ever witnessed, but local legends speak of a hidden treasure beneath the rhinoceros pool. Do you think the true treasure is gold from an ancient kingdom? Or is it a spiritual guardian of the river? Tell us your theory in the comments below. Exploring the Huangguoshu scenic area is an adventure that offers multiple perspectives on this aquatic titan. The most iconic experience is walking through the Water Curtain Cave, a 134-meter-long naturally formed cave hidden directly behind the massive waterfall. From here, you can literally touch the cascading water, hearing the deafening roar of the falls from its very heart. Nearby, the Dupatang waterfall offers a different charm. It is the widest waterfall in the group and famously appeared in the classic television series Journey to the West. Don't miss the Tianxingqiao Scenic Zone, where ancient trees grow over stone bridges and water flows through a labyrinth of natural rock formations. Each viewpoint, from the rhinoceros pool at the bottom to the majestic overlooks at the top, reveals a new facet of this natural wonder. If you are captivated by the raw power of the Huangguoshu Falls, please hit the subscribe button to explore more of the world's natural wonders with us. Preserving the majesty of Huangguoshu is a complex challenge that requires a careful balance between massive tourism and ecological protection. One of the primary environmental concerns is maintaining the water flow of the Baishui River during the dry winter season. Climate change and upstream water management have occasionally threatened the thunderous volume of the falls, leading to innovative water conservation projects. The local government has also implemented strict regulations to prevent pollution from reaching the canyon, ensuring the water remains crystal clear for future generations. Reforestation efforts are ongoing on the surrounding slopes to prevent soil erosion and preserve the unique karst biodiversity of the Anshan region. By supporting sustainable tourism, we help protect this irreplaceable natural monument and the ancient cultures that call it home. Thank you for traveling with us to the edge of the clouds. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your fellow travelers. What other natural wonders would you like us to cover next? We look forward to seeing your suggestions in the comment section below.